Hey. Good morning, guys. I just came back from getting my fingerprints done to be able to access the estate. So now I can move around freely, but I'm not yet ready to go out of the estate, but then we'll get there.
It's something about the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, with an everyday. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you. The feel is your way. But we don't really want to. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. 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 Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket low. Fuck gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, with an everyday. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you. I try not to show how I feel about you.
We're leaving now. We're going home. The streets came out to play. I bought this car mount yesterday. I got it from that one value store, whatever. So I hope it'll work well. I'm just gonna put it on these events. So yeah.
We don't really want to. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around. I want you around.
Today I was feeling very down, so I decided to just cook because cooking for me is very therapeutic. And then later on I decided to just have some ice cream to soothe my heart, and then just went to bed.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. Run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't.
Already in the afternoon, around 5 o'clock. I've already done my eyebrows and I'm gonna do the rest of my face with you guys, but I'm gonna do a montage because my dad's on his way back home. He's taking us out for dinner, so I have to get ready. I haven't even decided on what to wear, and also my hair isn't done yet, so see my out.
Call me, leave all of your things, yeah. You can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Call me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so volley Paris, yeah. Call me, leave all of your things, yeah. Stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Call me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so volley Paris, yeah. She can stay in my, she just wanna love me. She can stay in my room and it ain't my room. She can stay in my, she just wanna love me. She can stay in my room and it ain't my. She can stay in my room and it ain't my.
This is how it's looking. Let me get dressed and head out quickly. So this is how I'm looking. Yeah. As we're walking to the gate, the Uber is here. We decided to go with an Uber for safety reasons because it's around 6:30 already. So the Uber is on the way. Good morning, guys. So it's the next day. Yesterday we got home. I was a bit tired because I didn't take a nap all afternoon and I slept very late the previous night. So I just washed off my makeup, brushed my teeth, and then we chilled with my cousins until like 1 a.m. So yeah, now we're up. It's around 9 o'clock and I'm craving McDonald's. Ugh. But yeah, I'll just take you guys throughout the rest of the day. Today is the 16th of December. I don't know what we'll be doing, and the weather, it's not giving, hey?
Okay, she's saying, look. Oh, what's the question? Let me run more Pelamute. But how much on the Pelaso?
Buscaba aún así y por fin te conseguí. Desde
waiting for our Uber. I hope you guys won't be able to hear the background noise and I won't get any copyright claim. But then yeah, we're waiting for Uber. It's like 3 minutes away now. And yeah, the food was nice. It was nice and the vibe is nice. Just that there's no alcohol and the service was very slow. They took forever to bring the food, but at least when the drinks came, they came along with the food. But then yeah, I'd give this place maybe 5 out of 10 because the food was nice. But anything other than that, it's we're home now and I'm about to take off this wig because wow, I didn't even lay it well. But then where's the lace here? As wretched as it looks, but then I'm just gonna get comfortable and carry on watching The Wife.